everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Korean bun hairstyle today. The neat thing is that you can wear it for formal occasions or just very casual day. In Korea they call this hairstyle 똥머리, which means poop hair. Sometimes you'll see friends tease each other like, oh, you have poop hair, you have 똥머리. I guess it's pretty self-explanatory why they call it poop hair. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off first, I recommend that you have curly hair for this. The reason why curly hair works better for this hairstyle is because when you put your hair in a bun, since your hair is already curled, it kind of holds the bun in place. It gives that extra support. Your curls don't have to be perfect. You can curl your hair overnight with socks or whatever tools you use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my hair. While this is heating up, I'm going to just comb my hair and put on some heat protectant. So I'm back and I just quickly curled my hair. Okay, so first what you're gonna want to do is grab your hair very lightly, gently, and as you're going up, just kind of scoop your hair how you want to sculpt it. The reason why you want to grab it gently is because you kind of want to have a little bit of bump here. You don't want it so tight where it's like super flat. No, that's not the look we're going for. You kind of want a little bit of volume at the bottom. And you're gonna grab it right at the crown of your head or a 45-degree angle from your ears. And here, and you're just going to secure it with a hair tie. Okay, so once that's there, just tie it gently, and it's a little bit loose, so I'm just going to, here at the ends, I'm just going to slightly press so that it tightens a bit. Using my baby hair, we'll fix that later. So now with my curled hair, you're going to just twist. And you can see how it just forms the shape really nice. There's no, hair that's like coming out. So this really helps make the bun come together. Okay, so you're gonna twist. And as you hold this, just keep twisting. Keep twisting. And secure. Holding down the pieces. Okay, and again you can just right here where the center is, just pull it so that it tightens. And here, as you can see, there's a little bit of baby here. If you'd like to, you can pin it with some bobby pins. Just push it down and right at the ends, right at the edges, pin it. Here. You can leave your baby hair like this, but sometimes I like to curl it. Just very gently and slightly. It helps frame my face very well. So this is the final look. So that's all for today's look. I hope that you found this helpful, and if it doesn't work out the first time, try a few more times. So that is all, and I will see you in my next video.